know, sometimes they ask me, what do I do it for? You see, I do it for the Jane Fondas, the Michelle Obamas, the Brandy Loves, the Sofia Vergara's, the Mrs. Incredibles, the Mrs. Incredibles.
I'll be surprised too.
Now it's love like Cupid. I'm the youngest Minnesotan making movement. The bitch chose me cause she with the improvements. Hey, pull up to the function, spontaneous combustion.
Stole our TLC spot for fucking football. This is UNCSA. Do I look like I know what football even is?
Wedding, the beat leave you sweating, my wrist leave you sledding. Hey, I don't got the drip, I got the splash. I don't make rap, bitch, I make smooth jazz. I don't got swag.
Pfeffercorn is the best teacher at this school. That is a fact, and I am not being sarcastic at all. And I'm glad you have this on record.
Wait, do that again. Wait, Olivia.
Wait.
That's too good.
Sometimes I think about making a pfeffercorn bingo. Like, put on there like...
loved each other for reasons that required no explanation.
Yay!
The two major contestants for the presidency.
They have to kiss.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, see, that's a nice, sexy color right there. Oh.
I got pizzazz, your mama, I'm a dick, cause I look like your dad. I don't got the drip, I got a splash. I don't make rap, bitch, I make smooth jazz. I don't got swag, I got pizzazz, your mom trying to date, cause I look like your dad. I'm sipping Prosecco, I'm looking perfecto. I just met a dickie, I'm trying to finagle. She like,
Impeccable. The flavor is immaculate.
like I'm Dennis, naked with your bitch playing tennis. Still fucking posted with your Dennis. And I run off with your bitch like a run-on sentence. Now I'm drunk jet skiing with Ellen DeGeneres. This shit going crazy, I'm bumping the AC. They saying, hey gravy, why you so wavy? Why you so tasty? Crispy like pastries, I don't really know.
For each of you two, I'm gonna join for each of you.
Oh, God.
Okay. VA1, this is for you. VA1s, it's a really rough year. Lots of homework. And Caitlin sucks. And I know it's rough, kind of, but it's still fun. Lots of late nights.
That's true.
And existential crises. Cool. Yep. So. Wait.
I'm Olivia, and I'm a VA1, and I don't get any sleep, and I might get cancer, because apparently if you get less than 7 hours, that's a risk of cancer, so I think we're all gonna die.
Thank you.
I
Well,
wish-
maybe because you're an older sibling and I'm a younger sibling.
Yeah.
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 Would you look at that? Yeah. We're being recorded. Yeah. Yeehaw.
I wish I knew how to instant.
But I think I'm Pashways, hey, I don't got the drip.
Toilet design. To ensure your new floor mount toilet fits your space, measure from the wall behind the toilet straight out to the floor bolts, then attach the toilet to the floor. Don't measure from the baseboard. This is the rough end size. The most common rough end is 12 inches. To ensure your wall hung toilet fits your space, determine the depth of the wall studs, which will
What is that? It's like a levitating toilet. Hold on.
What?
No. Never mind. This thing. Why is that a thing?
okay, let me wait a minute. I go, okay. And I wait, and I wait for 20 minutes. He brings out another associate who's a guy who's in training. He's like 80 years old. He goes, do you want to tell her? And I'm like, well, I'm a man, but I'm not going to bring that up right now. And they go, your prescription? It expired in April. And I'm like, oh, can I just get one? And they're like, you can go next door and pay $200 for a new one. I was like, nope. Long story short, my dad and I had a long talk in the car about why capitalism fucking sucks. And the first guy was like, no, it'll last 2 years. Don't worry about it. Bitches. Fat bitches. So long story short, I left, no glasses. I found the pair I wanted, and he wrote down the number so I could find them again. I look like a cute little newspaper boy.
That's cute.
Well, now I just look homeless and I can't see. Shut the fuck.
Are you making fun of me again, Holly?
Oh. I didn't get the part where you were like trying to.
Really, no.
Oh.
And also, I wrote one thing. I'm so proud. What if you connected to like
Joseph J. Ellis can suck my entire pee-pee.
I want to do it. Let's do it.
I want to do it.
No, let's do it.
I got a splash. I don't make rap, bitch, I make smooth jazz. I don't got swag. I got pizzazz. You might want on my dick, cause I look like your dad. Hey, I don't got the drip. I got a splash.
9
Oh.
out of 10.
Really?
Because they like chocolate.
That's it?
Yeah.
Thanks.
I don't make rap, bitch, I make smooth jazz. I don't got Steve, I got pizzazz. MILFs tryna fuck, cause I look like a dad. Hey, I don't got a splish, I got a splash. I don't fucking rap, bitch, I make smooth jazz. I don't got swag, I'm a dad. Gravy in this bitch with the fucking pizzazz. Bitch.
They said she couldn't do it. They were wrong. I got a knife, a spoon, and a
Bitch. Jason Rich on the beat, bitch. Diamonds dancing on my wrist just like Richard Simmons. Got the paddock with the drip like I'm fucking winning. Now them diamonds on my neck, synchronized swimming. Got my wrist spinning, looking like I'm Richard Simmons. Rich Simmons, Raph Simmons, thick women, bad bitches, 6 figures on your head, flip like a spatula. Gravy got your girl sitting in the passenger.
Like, bro.
Hit it really quick and then I dip, ayy. Ayy, gravy in this bitch, I'm with the shits, ayy. Ayy, you never see me lag. Gotta send your bitch a fact. She came through with the pack, gravy came through with the snacks. Pull up to that function in that new whip too quick. Now your mama looking like my new bitch, true shit. She my thickie, she so pretty. Every time I'm in your city, gravy busting through that chimney. Diamonds dancing on my wrist just like Richard Simmons. Got the paddock with the drip like I'm fucking winning. Now them diamonds on my neck, synchronized swimming. Got my wrist spinning, looking like I'm Richard Simmons. Rich Simmons, Raph Simmons, thick women, bad bitches, 6 figures on your head, flip like a spatula. Gravy got your girl sitting in the passenger. Think I'm Richard Simmons. Oh, bitch, I've been spectacular.
Were to say it again?
No. I'm too embarrassed now. That was cringy.
She was like, I talked
Y'all really be letting me out here say the cringiest shit, and y'all be like, funny noise. That was cringy too. Please don't record me. See, when I'm talking and when I'm being recorded, I don't think about how cringy the things I say are. But when I'm being recorded, I'm like, fuck, this is really bad.
My measurements are off.
Oh.
Wait, can you just like cut like
those
no, but I've done it.
Whoa, Charlie, what Girl Scout cookies did you get?
cocaine rings. That's not what Coke looks like. You would
How would you know whether more?
I mean, honestly, I feel more rested because like it's needed, but honestly,
I probably should have gone to class.
Versace roll when I hop up on the stage. Fuck your bitch. Gone in 60 seconds, call me Nick Cage. Gravy going national, I'm looking for the treasure. I don't think I'm sick, but I got him under weather. A Honda, Tesla, Rose with the roof up. Gin with the fruit punch, ray gun, juiced up. Flies fuck, called up my boy, I said let's make these hits. Might just go icy my wrist, might just go cop me your bitch. Diamonds dancing on my wrist, just like Richard Simmons. Got the paddock with the drip, like I'm fucking winning. Now them diamonds on my neck, synchronized swimming. Got my wrist spinning, looking like I'm...
Sarah?
Did she not get it?
Sarah? You fool! You fool! Charlie, you phoned that before I could talk to Sarah!
Dude, you killed my phone.
Got my wrist spinning, looking like I'm Richard Simmons. Rich Simmons, Raph Simmons, thick women, bad bitches, 6 figures on your head, flip like a spatula. Gravy got your girl sitting in the passenger. Think I'm Richard Simmons? Ooh, bitch, I feel spectacular.